Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we can see that Euro USD is an uptrend, but to be honest, there has not been much movement or volatility in the chart of Euro USD for the last couple of days. Right now you can see that Euro USD is trading at 1.1556. This is the current market price. Okay, so let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD and what are the best trading opportunities on Euro USD, though there is not much movement. Let's get started. So what is the trend here, my dear friend? Because considering the trend and following the trend of the market is the most important rule, because whether you are trading on stocks, forex, commodity, doesn't matter. Market says follow the trend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see on the chart that Euro USD is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities only, because if we think that market has reached the bottom and we should go for a buy now, then my dear friend, you are violating the most important rule of the market. You are going against the trend. Until and unless we get any proper confirmation from the market that yes, it is a trend reversal, the trend of the market has reversed, we should not go against the trend. Okay, until and unless you get a V formation, yes, a V formation on Euro USD, we will not consider that the trend of the market has reversed. So till date, Euro USD is in downtrend and we should mainly look for selling opportunities if you want to be on the safer side of the market. Clear? So the second important point is finding out the area of value. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I always talk about area of value, because yes, I have been speaking about area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos, because finding out the area of value is the key thing. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity in the market, or the best price, where you will get the best price. In an uptrend market, you always get the best price, the best trading opportunity at the support, and whereas in the downtrend market, you get the best price, best selling opportunity at the resistance. So as Euro USD is in downtrend, so our best price, best trading opportunity will be near the resistance only. Clear? So we have the trend of the market and we have the area of value. So right now we need to understand where shall we short the market. So first and foremost, you can see that I have a trend line drawn here on the chart, and undoubtedly this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, or in simple words, whenever the market is trying to go up, market is facing resistance from above. So therefore, if you find market going up and facing resistance from the trend line, obviously you can short the market. Yes, you can obviously short the market if market reverses from the trend line. That is your first trading opportunity. But before the trend line, you can see that we also have a resistance at 1.1600. Previously, this was the level that was acting or trying to provide some support to the market. Okay, listen to me carefully. This level was trying to provide support to the market, but the selling pressure was so high in the market that it failed to provide the necessary support, and as a result market broke the support at one point of time, and right now you can see that market is trading below it. So therefore there is a good possibility that when market will be trying to go up, or when market will try to recover, this level 1.1600, which was previously the support, will be the new resistance for the market. Yes, this level 1.1600 will be the new resistance for the market. So therefore, when market will be going up, the first resistance will be the 1.1600, and if market reverses from this particular level, you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market below this level. And if we draw the Fibonacci levels here, then we can see that we also have the Fibonacci retracement level at here also. So in case market goes up a little, crossing the level of 1.1600, do not panic and think and consider that this is a trend reversal, you should go for a buy. No. If market crosses also this level, still there is a good possibility of reversing from this level. So whatever it is, be ready to short the market. Clear? So these are the two opportunities to short the market if market goes up. Okay. And on the other hand, if market goes down, or if you see some heavy selling on Euro USD, what should be your trading strategy? Then your trading strategy is simple. What you need to do is that you just short the market below this level, 1.1528 level. Once market crosses this level, you can easily short the market. Then we'll consider that yes, fresh selling has come into the market and you can short the market below it. But just make sure that market is being supported by volume. Volume means the size of the candle should be bigger, that's it. And if you look at the chart of DXY here, US dollar, as we can clearly see that dollar is in uptrend right now, there is no doubt about it. And as we all know, when dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. So right now dollar is trying to take support at the weekly level of 94.14 here. So if dollar bounces from this particular level, then you will obviously see some heavy selling on Euro USD, and then you can short the market below the level that I showed you just now. Okay. And on the other hand, considering this as a double top, if dollar fails to sustain at this level and starts going down, then definitely you will see Euro USD going up. But still, considering the selling pressure in the Euro USD, I think that it will be wise for us only to look for shorting opportunities, because until and unless we get a V formation like this, we cannot consider the trend of the Euro USD has changed, because we can clearly see that this market is in downtrend, and assuming that market has made the bottom, market is about to reverse, will be a very bad thing. So do not make the same mistake. Do try to follow the strategy that I have just shared. Okay. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. You do not need to do the homework, because I'll be sharing everything with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the necessary information. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.